Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Swing your arms out to either side, then down as you look to the left and bend your left knee, then right knee. Look at the camera as you bend your left, then right knee again. Bend your left, then right knee again as you bend your elbows to bring your hands up to either side of your face, palms facing in. Bend your left, then right knee again as you move your hands outward 4 times, bringing your fingers and thumbs almost together each time. Turn your hands so that your palms are facing out to either side, then extend your arms straight out to either side as you bend your left, then right knee. Look up and to the right as you swing your right arm up and your left arm down and bend your left knee, then do this move in the opposite direction. Turn your hands so that your palms are facing up. Bend your elbows slightly as you move your left arm down partway and your right arm up partway, then move your left arm down further and your right arm up further as you look up and to the right and bend your left knee. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. Twirl your left hand into a fist, then look down at your right hand and twirl that into a fist as well. Switch the positions of your arms as you follow your right fist with your eyes and bend your left knee. Lower your arms as you step in place on your right foot, then step in place on your left foot as you bring your arms forward and up with your elbows bent at 90-degree angles and your index fingers extended. Step in place on your right foot as you cross your arms in front of your chest, bringing your left arm in front of your right arm. Then step in place on your left foot as you return your arms to their previous position. Step in place on your right foot as you fold your right arm over your left arm with your left elbow angling up and your right elbow angling down. Step in place on your left foot as you bring your right elbow up and your left elbow down. Then step in place on your right foot as you extend your right arm up and to the right and your left arm down and to the left. Step in place on your left foot again as you bring your arms back to their previous position. Step in place 4 times, starting on the right foot, as you swing your arms clockwise before bringing your wrists back together so that your left elbow is angling up and your right elbow is angling down. Step in place on your right, then left foot as you spread your fingers out, rotate your hands counterclockwise, then curl your fingers back in. Step in place on your right, then left foot again as you open your hands before moving them out to either side. Step over to the right on your right foot, then bring your right arm up and to the right, keeping your elbow bent and your palm facing the camera as you look at your right hand. Move your right hand a little further to the right, then bring it down and to the left with your palm facing the floor as you look in the same direction, before looking at the camera and moving your right hand down and to the right. Bring your right shoulder up, then back down. Step in place on your left foot, then bring your right foot over to meet it as you swing your right hand counterclockwise to bring your fist up near your face. Now swing your left hand clockwise to bring it up to rest on your right fist, but keep the fingers of your left hand spread out. Step in place on your right foot as you angle your right elbow out and your left elbow down, then switch the positions of your arms 2 more times as you step in place on your left, then right foot. Step in place on your left foot as you lower your arms to your sides. Bend your elbows to bring your hands up with your fingers spread out, then shake your hands as you take 4 steps around in a small counterclockwise circle, starting on the left foot and lowering your arms to your sides on the last step. Bend your knees and bring your left fist up near your left shoulder as you tap your right foot in place and pull your left fist down once. Lower your left arm as you step over to the right on your right foot, angling your foot back so that you start turning to the right. Then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as you turn to the right a bit more. Step over to the right on your right foot again so that you are facing the camera as you fold your right arm over your left arm, slightly in front of your chest. Lean in a clockwise circle, bouncing in place a bit 3 times, then hop slightly, bringing your feet together as you turn to face the right. Step back on your right foot, then lean in another clockwise circle, once again bouncing in place 3 times. Lower your arms, then bring your right foot next to your left foot as you swing your left arm forward and your right arm back. Step in place 3 more times, starting on the left foot as you switch the position of your arms each time, but lower your arms to your sides on the last step. Bring your left arm horizontally in front of you and rest your right elbow on your left fist as you step out with your left foot, keeping your toes up, and move your right fist down in the direction of your left foot as you look in the same direction. Bring your left foot back to meet your right foot and your right fist back near your chest, then move your left foot back out as before, but this time move your right fist down and to the left as you look in the same direction. Bring your left foot back to meet your right foot as you bring your right fist back up near your chest. Step over to the left on your left foot and look to the left as you bend your elbows to bring your hands up with your right hand higher and both index fingers and thumbs extended. Now look up and to the right as you cross your left foot over your right foot, keeping your toes up, lower your left arm, and point to yourself with the thumb of your right hand, bending your right elbow out to the side. Step back over to the left on your left foot and look down and to the left as you swing your right arm out and down to your side. Look at the camera as you bring your left foot over to meet your right foot and move your arms slightly away from your sides, then back in. Bend your knees deeply as you swing your arms back. Swing your arms forward as you bring your right foot up, then step forward on your right foot as you move your arms out to either side. Bounce twice, moving your right foot to the right each time so that you are facing to the right on the second bounce, then bring your right foot back to meet your left foot. Swing your right arm around to the left as you turn to face the left, then bring both fists to your hips. Repeat the last count of section 1 of part 1. Repeat sections 2 through 7 of part 1. Repeat section 8 of part 1, but end by stepping forward more with your left foot. Spread the fingers of both hands as you move your arms out to the right, then down, and swing your right foot forward and to the left. Once you bring your right foot down, take 4 more steps around to the left, crossing your right foot over your left foot on the 4th step. Bring your left foot up to meet your right foot as you start moving both arms up with your palms facing up. When your arms are straight out in front of you, curl your hands into fists, then spread your fingers out again as you step over to the right on your right foot. Swing your arms slightly to the right and lean to the right so that your left foot comes off the ground. Now lean to the left, then right, and left. Lean to the right again, but then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as you move both hands down near your right hip and lace your fingers together. Bend your right wrist so that your right elbow is pointing out, then bring your left elbow up in the same manner before lowering your right arm so that your left wrist is bent and only your left elbow is pointing out. When done quickly, these moves should create a smooth waving effect. Turn to face the left as you bring your hands down to your left hip. Keeping your hands on your left hip, bend your right knee, then straighten it as you bend your left knee. Bend your right knee again as you extend your right arm up and your left arm down, keeping your hands flat so that your palms are facing down. Then switch the positions of your arms and legs before quickly turning to the right to face the camera and lowering your arms. Fold your right arm over your left arm and angle your right elbow up and your left elbow down as you bend your right knee. Then switch the positions of your arms and legs before quickly turning to the right again so that you are facing to the right as you lower your arms. Bend your right knee as you extend your right arm up and your left arm down as you did before, then switch the positions of your arms and legs before quickly turning to the right once more so that your back is to the camera and your arms are down and slightly away from your sides. Bend your right knee, then your left knee, then your right knee, then your left knee. Step over to the right as you extend your arms out to either side and down. Then bring your right foot over to meet your left foot as you bring both hands up behind your head. Extend your arms straight up, then bring them down slowly as you turn to the left. Lower your arms as you step over to the left on your left foot and look down and to the left. Repeat sections 1 through 3 of Part 1. Repeat the first 3 counts of Section 4 of Part 1, then extend your right arm up above your head before pulling your right fist down near your shoulder as you bend your knees, then straighten them again. Clasp your hands together in front of your chest as you step over to the right on your right foot, then bring your left foot over to meet it. Repeat these steps to the left, right, and left. Cross your right foot over your left foot, then step over to the left on your left foot. Put your left hand behind your back as you swing your right hand down and to the left while crossing your left foot over your right foot. Bring your right hand up near your right shoulder as you bring your right foot over to meet your left foot, then step over to the left on your left foot. As you look to the left, push over to the right with your right hand and slide your right foot over to meet your left foot. Look at the camera again as you step over to the right on your right foot before bringing your left foot over to meet it. With your left hand on your hip, look up and to the right as you step in place 4 times with your left foot and push upward with your right hand 4 times, keeping your arm extended at the end of the last movement. Look at the camera as you bring your right fist down near your right shoulder, then bring your left fist up near your left shoulder. Bend your knees slightly as you turn your fists in small circles near your face. Stand back up, put your left fist on your hip, and step over to the right on your right foot as you point to the left with your right hand. Step over to the left on your left foot as you point to the right with your right hand, keeping your arms straight, then step in place on your right foot as you point to the left again. Swing your right arm over to the right as you move your hips in a clockwise circle. Repeat the last 2 counts of section 4 of part 1. Repeat sections 5 through 7 of part 1. Repeat section 8 of part 1, but extend both arms straight up when you bring your left foot up to meet your right foot on the last step. Look to the left as you lower your arms to your sides for 2 counts, then step over to the left on your left foot. Bring your right hand up just above your shoulder, then wave it over to the right, then back 3 times before slowly swinging it out to the right and down for 3 counts, straightening your elbow as you do so. Once your arm is down by your side, look up as you bend your elbows to bring your hands above your face, moving your right hand to the right a bit. Move your right hand back near your left hand, then swing it clockwise to bring your hand to your chest as you look down and to the right.